What's the meaning of astronomical? Astronomical. Astronomical.
Astronomical. Astronomical. The word astronomical has a few different meanings depending on the context. When referring to something related to astronomy or outer space, it means anything relating to celestial objects, such as stars, planets, and galaxies. It can also be used to describe something that is extremely large in size or quantity, often beyond human comprehension or imagination. For example, an astronomical amount of debt would refer to a debt that is so massive it's hard to fathom. In general, this term is used to convey a sense of vastness or magnitude.